In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a scene in the Smart Life app where the Gen 2 alarm system, when triggered by a sensor, will turn on the smart plug. Additionally, when the Gen 2 alarm system is disarmed, it will turn off the smart plug. Make sure you have already purchased a smart plug and added it to the Smart Life app. This is the only way this scene will work. What you want to first do is select Scene at the bottom of the screen. And then you can select Create Scene in the center here, or if you already have scenes created, you can select the plus sign at the top right hand corner. Then what you want to do is you want to select when device status changes. And then you want to select the Gen 2 alarm system. And then you want to scroll down until you see host state. Select host state, then select alarm. Once you select alarm, then what you'll do is select the plus sign beside then. And then you want to select control single device. Once you select that, you want to look for the smart plug. So I'm going to select smart plug. Once I've selected that, I'm going to select switch 1. And then I'll select on. And then I'll select save. And then I'll select next. And then I'll select save again. And I'll say Gen 2 turn on smart plug. And then I'll select confirm. So that's the first scene that you'll need to create. That will turn on the smart plug. Now we want to create a scene that will turn off the smart plug. So what I'll do is making sure that you're in the scene menu, selected at the bottom there. Select the plus sign, and then select when device status changes. And then what you want to do is you want to select Gen 2 alarm system. Scroll to the bottom until you see mode. When you select mode, then you can select disarm. Once you select disarm, you want to select the plus sign beside then. Once you do that, you can select control single device and look for the smart plug again. I'll select it. And then you want to select switch 1. And then next, what you want to do is select off. And then select save. And then select next again. And then select save again. So once you select save, you type in Gen 2 smart plug off, and then confirm. And now you've created two scenes. One scene to turn on the smart plug and one scene to turn off the smart plug. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it out. In this video, we're going to test out the two Smart Life scenes that we just created. The first scene is when the sensor is triggered and the alarm panel alarms, then the smart switch will be turned on, therefore turning on this lamp right here. When the alarm system is disarmed, the smart switch will then turn off, and this light will then turn off here. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to arm the alarm panel. And then I'm going to trigger a door sensor. And as you can see, the alarm panel alarmed, therefore turning on the smart switch and turning on the light. When I disarmed the alarm panel, it turned off the smart switch, therefore turning off the light.